Moving on, after a firing incident in Kupwara, security forces are on high alert. A search and cordon operation is currently underway by the forces. And this, after a firing incident was reported in Handwara at village Kramhura, Zachaldara, Rajwar in Kupwara district. Now the cordon and search operation is being launched by the SOG, the Special Operation Group. And as per sources, the terrorists have escaped from the spot. So a manhunt has been launched, search operation, and the entire area has been cordoned off in light of the incident that was witnessed. Zeenath is joining me live. Zeenath, tell us about the latest firing incident and also the search operation that's currently underway. What we understand from our sources is that the terrorist who was there has now escaped from the spot.
The encounter has started between the joint forces and the terrorists in Zachaldara. This is a village in which is quite close to the Handwara, and also it is a Rajwar track which has been the point and the track of infiltration. The terrorists coming from the Pakistan for a long time, because this is one of the shortest routes that the North Kashmir shares with the line of control. So mostly the terrorists use this kind of tracks like Rajwara track to infiltrate into the hinterland of Kashmir Valley in North Kashmir. And today the search was carried by the J&K police. The police component of Handwara had carried this search, and later the search was managed, also was accompanied by the army, though the first search operation was launched. The police, as they had a specific inputs about the presence of the terrorists in the Zachaldara village in Handwara's North Kashmir. And in the search, when the search was extended, the terrorists fired from a distance towards the joint security forces and triggering an encounter. As of now, Jammu and Kashmir police has confirmed that there is an encounter taking place between terrorists and the J&K police in Handwara, North Kashmir. Although the police, apart from police, the army is yet to confirm about the incident, but this is a joint operation being carried in the Handwara, because yesterday you see there was an alertness after the ID was recovered by the Indian Army in the Kupwara belt, because Handwara and Kupwara, they are just next to each other, two districts. It's a distance between of around 20 to 30 minutes distance, where these districts fall on as far as the geographical locations are concerned. And North Kashmir has been quite active this and 2024 also, when many of the operations were reported from the line of control, where the terrorists, mostly foreign terrorists, were neutralized near the line of control, and some operations were also carried in the hinterland. As of now, the encounter has started between the terrorists and the joint security forces in the Handwara. Needs to be seen whether the terrorists will be neutralized or they again will try to escape. As of now, the reports from the J&K police suggest that 2 to 3 terrorists have been trapped in the area where the encounter is on. We are seeing the rush of the forces, the deployment of the number of the deployment is getting increased. We are seeing the external cordon also being carried by the forces to see that the terrorists do not escape from any lane or the bylane, although the civilian movement has not been hampered. But this will be almost after a long time when again the North Kashmir is witnessing an encounter. Though Jammu and Kashmir police have been maintaining that the local terrorists have refused to join the terror outfits, and with the results, the Pakistan is pushing their men into the Indian territory, because Kashmiris have refused to be part of this proxy war. That is why the recruitment number of the local terrorists have drastically gone down. But meanwhile, we are also seeing the intel reports that suggest that this time the summers are going to be hot. Pakistan is trying to revive the terrorism on the ground. He is trying to provide the logistics and the other support to the terror network, apart from its own men here on the Indian soil.
Right, Zeenath, many thanks for joining us with those details. Even as Pakistan continues to face its own crisis, it continues to, push terrorists across the border, trying to revive terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir. But thank you for joining us with those details. 3 terrorists have been trapped. The operation is currently underway.